In this video, we're going to look at the explode function in PHP. The explode function, it breaks a string into an array. It accepts three parameters. So the first one is a separator. That's required. That's where the break is going to happen. The string is the actual string that's going to be split. And then there's a third parameter that's optional. That's the limit. We can look at that in a little bit. We'll stick with a separator and string first, so you can get an idea of how this just works simply. So we'll make the string. Hello, how are you today? Okay, so call the explode function. And in it, first we'll add the separator, which right now is just going to be a space. So it's going to find all the spaces in the string, and that's where it will split the string to different elements of the array. Second parameter is the string that we want to split up. So in our case, it's just called string. Okay, let's give that a go. There, and you can see every word now is its own element. Hello, how are you today? So if we're to change this from an empty space, let's use the comma. So it's going to break at the comma or split at the comma. So there'll be two elements. There'll be hello, and then how are you today will all be in the second element. Save the work, refresh. There, two elements. Hello, then at the comma, splits it into how are you today. So I'll change this back to a space. Oh, and you have to have something in the separator. You can't have absolutely nothing or you'll get, you get an error. Have to have something in it. So for the limit parameter, it accepts a number. So let's start with 1. See what we get. So now it's telling the string to put everything into one element. So now if we change it to 2, we're going to end up with 2 elements, and it will break at the first space. So hello, and then how are you today? Change it to 3. So if you have less elements than what you're actually going to be breaking your string into, everything that's extra will all get put into the last element, like you can see here. This also accepts a negative number. So let's start with -1. So now if you look at the string or the array, hello, how are you? Today is missing. It's taking it off. So try 2. It'll be hello, how are? So it's starting at the end. Usually negative numbers do, right? Negative numbers do. And then you're removing the amount of elements that you're asking to be removed. So you and today are both gone, and you'll have hello, how are, just those 3. So we want to do, let's try 4. All we get is hello. Everything else is gone. All right, well, that's pretty much it for the explode function. It's pretty popular, it's really handy, so it's a good one to know. You should learn it. All right, thanks.